All right. The amp on. It's on clean. Let's see what it sounds like. What did I do with my tuner? Gotta make sure it's still in tune. Okay. That's how much gain this has. This thing's like on clean. So it sounds, pretty much the same. It's out of tune. I love this guitar. I don't know what I'm doing, but I love it. So anyway, that's my new stainless steel saddles, and they're all installed. And I'm playing through the Bugera 6260, and I have no clue what I'm doing. Thanks for watching.